Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Tesla price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart here to see what do we have as bullish and bearish scenarios. We have of course a 1, 2, 3 and then potentially we're looking for a 4 and a 5 towards the upside as an impulse. However, this scenario cannot be really yet taken 100% because of course as you can see that the uncommon target for a wave 3, which is the 1.27, was not reached yet. And of course we have topped already here in an impulse, of course failing to take the 1.27, higher potential that you are at the 1-to-1 fib level, which it gives higher possibility for an ABC 3 waves toward the upside. In this case scenario, you're looking at a zigzag, of course, impulse correction impulse, and you're looking right now for 3 waves toward the downside, 3 waves toward the upside, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 toward the downside as, of course, an expanding flat A, B, and a C, hitting perfectly the 1.38 and the 1.618 in confluence with the 0.5 retracement, of course, taken from this last move toward the upside. If we dive deeper inside this corrective wave on the 4-hour chart, we can see of course the following price action right now, where you have potentially of course a W in a 3 ways, X and a Y as well, which it can be unfolding as well of course, but you would like to see 3 corrective waves here. In case you are in an expanding flat, as explained, higher possibility of course in the daily, you have an expanding flat wave B finished and you're looking for an impulse towards the downside, direct a move towards lower prices. Let's move into the micros of this move towards the downside. As you can see, you have definitely an impulse wave 3 here, and inside this impulse wave 3 you have double 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, 4, and you're looking for a wave 5 still, only to finish this wave 3 in the yellow. And that means of course your yellow scenario is a 1, 2, and you're looking for 3, 4 and a 5 later on, 4 and a 5 still, of course, because we have double 1, 2s here. This wave currently as a wave 5 is possibly of course unfolding as a zigzag here, and correction, meaning zigzag for a wave 1 where you have ABC for a wave 1. You're looking at a corrective wave here, and potentially that you get of course after this triangle a continuation for one more leg toward the upside to hit and finish of course a wave 2 of an ending diagonal. In this case scenario, we'll get 1, 2 and then 3, 4 and a 5 continuation for lower prices. If the price moves towards the downside, of course, taking this invalidation of bullish where you have a 1, 2, 3 and then 4 and a 5, which is your last wave as a wave C here, in case you are looking at a correction wave C, potentially that you have of course one more wave toward the upside as explained. But if we move toward the downside and we take the 236, therefore something else is unfolding, meaning your wave 2 has finished already there. And of course something else is unfolding, because a zigzag of course for a wave 3 cannot start with a triangle, meaning higher potential is to move toward the upside before taking this low. That was it for Tesla. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.